Yo, you know what's crazy about this story I'm about to talk about is that 2 months ago, only on, I believe, this channel, I believe it's probably on Wheezy Radio News too. The name of the video is called Plane Crashes, My Reaction. And I find it strange that 2 days ago, a family of four, mom, dad, family of five or family of four, mom, dad, and two or three children on a helicopter in New York City. You know, the helicopters, you pay, the pilot of the helicopter, they fly the helicopter. You see it right there by the Staten Island ferry. The helicopter lifts off. It'd be a beautiful sight. You look, you see over NYC. And you pay a certain amount, whatever. Something basically I wanted to do, but I got a fear of heights and shit, man. Now, it's crazy how this helicopter flies over the Hudson River and just nose dives into the Hudson River. The pilot, the family of four or family of five, dead. Ages 5, 8, and I believe 10. A family from Spain visiting New York City. Now, the pilot, I guess, is like a U.S. Navy SEAL. Was this done purposely? No, I don't think so. But what you could do for me, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Wheezy Radio News and the Fuckery Video Talk. Wow, sad situation. And in my video called Plane Crashes, I specifically said in that video, but you could do what you want to do. But I know what I know. This is not the time to be flying in no aircraft. How much plane crashes we heard for 2025 already, people? All right, if something is man-made, don't you think that it could be a mechanical failure? Same thing with a car. But a sad situation. Wow. I know what I know, but this ain't the time to be flying. Something, because even the media, the tell lies to your vision, the TV, they were saying about this story that it had to been a flock of birds in the area flying. Because they got birds that fly over the Hudson River and, they swim too. And they fly in packs. And that right there can bring a plane down. That right there can bring a whole helicopter nose diving down into the Hudson River. They're still looking for pieces of the wreckage in the water as we currently speaking now. Signs of the times, people. Scary situation. And the family, I guess the husband just took them, like a sightseeing, a vacation type of thing, and lose their life like that. Wow. Condolences to the family from Spain. Wheezy Radio. Just be careful out there, people. You never know when it's going to be your last. So guess what? Treat people the way you want to be treated, man, with respect. Love one another. Eye for eye. Tooth for tooth. The Bible speaks on that. And make sure when you out there in public, have courtesy. And if everybody did that, it wouldn't really be no violence, no problems, no fights. Just think about that. Death is promised to all of us. And the sad part about it, you don't know when your expiration date. Alright? Wheezy Radio, like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Only on Wheezy Radio News, I'll be doing my NBA playoffs, play-in tournament, every game, and who's going to win the motherfucking series. Y'all know I'm a Chicago Bulls fan, alright? Wheezy Radio, I love you all. Later.